Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it is an unbagging really. It's not a box, but this is feelunique the beauty kit. feelunique is a massive online beauty store that ships worldwide, and they started doing some sample services a couple of years ago. At the moment they are only available within the UK, but hopefully sometime in the near future we will see them get shipped out of the UK. This is Editing Claire. I've just come upstairs to take over this video for the next couple of minutes just to let you know that there is no more beauty kit anymore. Beauty kit is finished. Instead we've got a beauty bag subscription. All the products are exactly the same as the beauty kit, which is why I decided to keep this video running. What you see in this video, the products that I've chosen, you can get for the subscription. I'll pop a link down in my description, so if you're interested in taking a look at the subscription for yourself, you're welcome to do so. Plus, feelunique got in touch with me recently and gave me a discount code to share with you. Unfortunately, you can't use it against the subscription or the pick and mix sample service, but if you're planning on purchasing anything off the feelunique website, and you fancy 15% off, then you're welcome to use my code. So you'll find that down there as well. So now back onto the video. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything related to the beauty kit and the pick and mix you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. So with every beauty kit you receive a little pouch like this. So I've got loads of them now. Loads of them. First up, I chose a lipstick by NARS, and this is Power Matte Lip Pigment in shade Star Woman, and there's 2 mils here. How gorgeous is that? A little teeny tiny one. It's so cute. That is a stunning colour. I love that. Absolutely love it. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No, there's nothing else I can tell you about it really. But yeah, that's the first item I chose. Then I went for another lipstick, but this is a lipstick crayon by Laura Mercier, and this is in shade Fresh. Now I've got a feeling I've already got this one. I have got a feeling I'm going to have a proper look, but I just love her lipsticks. So I had to get it. I love lipstick crayons, super easy to use, really handy, like lip liner and lipstick in one type thing. Yeah, I do really like it, and that shade is nice, but I do think I've already got one. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. It was worth a risk, just in case. So there's that. Then I went for a mascara. This is full size, and this is by Essence. This is What the Fake Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara with volumizing fibres. I haven't tried many Essence products before. The only products I've tried really are their lipsticks, and I do really like them. They do amazing lipsticks. But as far as other products, I haven't really. My daughter's got quite a bit, and I do a lot of advent calendars on YouTube, and every year I get like an Essence advent calendar, do-it-yourself advent calendar. Yeah, so my daughter gets all of that as a Christmas present. It looks nice. As in the wand. Always on the lookout for the perfect mascara, because I find it really difficult to find one that I really like. Next up, I've already got one of these. I've got the full-size version, and I got a little mini one like this because I got one in my last beauty kit, and it's the Vichy. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. I love it. I absolutely love it. Mineral 89, fortifying and plumping daily booster. There's 10 mils here. Now I have got the big version. I think it's 50 mils, the full size. And you know what? I've had it for a year now, and I'm only coming up to half, and I use it every single day. You literally just need one pump, and it does the whole of my face. It is the longest lasting hyaluronic acid serum I've ever owned. I do love it. So I had to get another little one of these because these are handy sizes to take away with me if I go away for the night or whatever. They're really nice, so I'm going to put that back in its box and hide it in a darkened corner, so then it hopefully lasts a long while until I need it. Definitely recommend it. There's that. And then lastly I got a product by Gatineau, and this is a micellar milk cleanser. There's 50 mils here. Now I've got a Gatineau cleanser in the bathroom already. I've got quite a few cleansers. So this is a micellar milk cleanser. Oh, it feels nice and fresh on my skin. No scent, no scent. So what's it say about it? Nothing else written. No, it doesn't say anything about it. But if you do want to find out more information about the products, when you click on them on the feelunique website, then it does bring up extra information about them. It takes you to the full size version on the website so you can read a bit. So you've got more information then if you're not sure what you want to pick or you want to know more about the product before you pick it, etc. I just saw that it was Gatineau Paris and it is a cleanser. I love cleansers and I do really like this brand as well. So yeah, so those are all the items I chose. I've got a Gatineau cleanser, I've got a Vichy Mineral 89 hyaluronic acid, I've got an Essence mascara, I've got a NARS liquid lipstick, and I've got a Laura Mercier crayon lipstick there as well. I am really chuffed with what I've chosen. These lipsticks are stunning. I'm really excited about this mascara as well. The wand looks promising. It does look promising. I love this, so I knew exactly what I was getting when I chose this. The cleanser there, I'm looking forward to trying that. Will the beauty kit be no more? Will the new subscription take over the beauty kit? I don't know. It's all new. It's all new. So in my next feelunique video, you will know more about it, definitely. So make sure you're subscribed. Click the notification bell. I should say all this, shouldn't I? But I just don't like asking. It's stupid. It's stupid. I need to ask you. I need to be more proactive in like encouraging you to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the beauty kit? What do you think of the products that I've chosen? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, even if you've never heard of this before and you're curious in learning a little bit more about it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.